Listen and repeat.
What's your dream vacation destination?
I'd love to visit Paris someday.
Paris is romantic. What would you like to see there?
I want to see the Eiffel Tower and eat croissants.
That sounds amazing.
How about you?
I dream of going to Japan.
Japan has a rich culture. What do you want to do there?
I want to try sushi and see cherry blossoms.
That would be a memorable trip.
What's your favorite color?
I really like blue.
Oh, blue is nice. What do you like about it?
I think it's a calming color. How about you?
I like red. It's so bright and bold.
Red is cool. What's your favorite color to wear?
I like to wear black. It goes with everything.
Black is stylish.
What's your favorite snack?
I enjoy eating popcorn.
Popcorn is a tasty snack. Do you like it with butter or without?
I like it with a little bit of butter.
Butter adds flavor.
How about you?
I like potato chips.
Crunchy and salty, a classic choice.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer. It's warm and sunny.
Summer is awesome. What do you like to do in summer?
I like going to the beach and swimming.
That sounds fantastic.
How about you?
I enjoy winter. I like building snowmen.
Winter can be magical.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
Cats are cute. What does Whiskers look like?
She's grey with white paws.
Sounds adorable. Do you like dogs too?
Yes, I like dogs. They're loyal and friendly.
Dogs are great.